Hi guys, so this is tutorial number 13, chapter 4. So kita ada long straight conductor carrying a 6 ampere current, rectangular Pqrs, suspended Ps is 3 cm from X, the size of PQ and QR 4 cm and 11 cm respectively. If you look at your punya tutorial book tu lagi lengkap lah. Tapi saya punya I don't know why what's happening here. So this is 6 ampere, here is 3 ampere. This is 11 cm, 4 cm, here is 3 cm. Okay. So, calculate the force on the wire Ps. Okay. So, for the part A, so we need to find force on Ps. So, kita tahu this is straight wire. So, along Ps, BIL sin theta. Okay, so BIL sin theta. So we have the current flow along Ps, which is 3 ampere. Length of the Ps we have 11 cm. So theta normally going to be 90 lah. Okay, but first of all we got to find B. So as you understand, you are supposed to understand by now that magnetic field on Pqrs going to come from wire X. Okay, this rectangular coil ni akan mengalami magnetic field yang datangnya daripada wire X. Pqrs ni akan menghasilkan magnetic field juga yang dirasai oleh wire X, tapi we are not focusing on Pqrs, right? So for that, I'm going to find magnetic field due to wire X along P and S. Okay, but first saya dah zoom ni, kita tentukan dulu directions of magnetic field on Pqrs due to wire X. Okay, so kita akan guna right hand grip rule. So you punya thumb will follow the directions of I. Okay, thumb awak akan directions of I, then all the fingers must be put on Pqrs, then curlkan you punya finger. Curl your finger. What direction is it? Is it into the page or out of the page? Okay, so I believe it's, kalau tangan awak tak spiral ke apa, kat sini out of the page. Sini pun out of the page, here out of the page, here will be out of the page. So because all these four magnetic field experienced by Pqrs come from wire X. Okay, so next, determine the directions of force on P and S. Okay, so kita guna right hand palm rule. Your finger will follow the directions of I is at the upwards. Okay, then your palm will facing out of the page. Okay, then kita akan nampak you punya thumb is directed to the right. So here will be FPS. Okay, so daripada situ kita dah dapat lah. So saya tulis dekat sini, macam kita cari BX kat situ, B to wire X is mu naught IX over 2 pi D. So mu naught is 4 pi 10 - 7. IX kenapa IX? Because magnetic field ni datang daripada wire X. So there will be 6 ampere over 2 pi. D is the distance between Ps and wire X, which is 3 cm. Okay, so magnetic field you're going to get 4 × -5 Tesla. Okay, then we go back to this equation. B is 4 × 10 - 5 Tesla. I is a current along P and S, which is 3 ampere. Length will be 11 cm. So it will be sin 90 lah. Okay, because the angle between B and I is 90 degree. So FPS going to get 1.32 10 - 5 Newton. Ke mana tadi kita buat? To the right. Okay, for part B pula, dia nak wire, the force on the wire QR. So wire QR sama juga. So dia ada B due to X, I QR, L sin theta. Okay, untuk tu kita kena cari dululah B due to X dekat untuk wire QR ni adalah mu naught 4 pi 10 - 7 current on X over 2 pi. The distance between wire ni dengan wire X ni berapa? 4 plus 3. So dapat berapa? 7 cm. Okay, so BX ni akan dapat 1.714 10 - 5 Tesla. So we sub it back here. negative 5, IQR is 3, length is 0.11. So theta is be sin 90. So we're going to get FQR is 5.66 10 negative 6 Newton. Ke mana? And what direction is going to be? Okay, so look at the diagram here. So ibu jari awak, kita nak cari ibu jari lah. So your finger will be directed downwards, follow directions of I. Then your palm gonna facing outwards, out of the page. Then you punya ibu jari ke mana? To the left. So this is FQR. So ni to the left. Okay. So C, calculate the resultant force on Pqrs. So resultant force, okay, resultant force kita tahu dekat atas ni akan menghasilkan force juga dan SR akan menghasilkan force. Tapi kalau kita tengok direction, kalau dot kat sini kan, current ke kanan, magnetic field ke luar, so force dia akan ke bawah. Ni FPQ. Kalau SR ni force dia ke mana? Magnetic field ke kanan, magnetic field ke atas, current to the left, so tamak ke kanan, ke atas, so FSR. Okay, FPQ akan sama magnitude dengan FSR. Sebab apa? Dia punya distance dengan wire X ni sama, current sama, everything else is same, length dia pun sama, therefore magnitude sama but in opposite direction, therefore they are going to cancel out each other. So the only force left adalah dua ni je lah. Okay, so kalau kita tengok dekat situ, FPS ke kanan, so it's 1.32 10 negative 5 Newton minus FQR which is to the left 5.66 10 negative 6 Newton. So bila ditolak ni akan dapat 7.54 10 negative 6 Newton. Ke mana? Because our answer is positive, so it is to the right. Okay, cool.